Hello everybody, this is Andre from 404 Blackout Tactical. As you can see from the intro, I finally got the 300 Blackout completed. So as I said in my past video that I was going to show you this unit when it was built. So here it is, but make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe button. And so let's go over the details of this gun one more time. Before we get started, I do want to show you that there's nothing in the chamber and the gun's empty. There's nothing there. It's loaded. It's on safety. So we're going to start from back to front on details on this gun. The stock I added to this 300 Blackout is the Daniel Defense stock. It's mil-spec color. It's QD link for both sides, so you can attach a 2-point or 1-point sling to this stock here. It's rounded. The length is 7 inches. The height is 5.5 inches. The width of it is 1.75. The weight of this here is 8 ounces. The finish is a polymer finish with this rubbery overmolded tight finish. This can move in the six positions within the buffer tool here. I like it because it's nice and comfortable. Grip. There's also, they give you two type of, on the back part of here, they give you a small little pad in here and they give you a bigger pad. I took mine off and I just added the bigger pad and on here more to give me a more better release for the shoulder. The padding on here has the Daniel Defense logo on here on the back. Let's see, let's get this tuned in here. But anyway, it's Daniel Defense logo is on the back here, so it's comfortable. I mean, I got it to match, like I said, with the grip itself. And so the only reason I chose this stock, I like the Daniel Defense stock. It's a polymer finish, rubber mold in here on the top here. It adds a little two-tone texture to your gun. I did hear that some people that say with beards, it's pretty much snag on there, but I haven't had that problem because I don't really keep a beard. But I installed this on just about, I would say 75% of my guns, the different colors on my guns, because I just like the Daniel Defense stock. So, you know, I know other people got other choice, but this is what I like. I like the Daniel Defense stock. As far as the buffer tube, it's an Areo Defense buffer tube. It's a 6-position buffer tube with the Areo Precision symbol logo here. I made a mistake on the last take. I said the stock was 6 position, but the actual buffer tube has the 6 position. But this is the enhanced version by Areo Precision. This enhanced version, the lip part where the detent snag in, this one got like a cutout for it, so when you actually screw in your buffer tube, the detent sitting in a little slot there, so that makes this a nice little advance. So when you're installing your buffer tube, you know, you don't kind of over push the snag of your detent when it's coming up. As far as the charging handle, this is the Areo Raptor charging handle. This is the one with the vent. I'm gonna take it out and show you guys the vent for this. Basically, this kind of eliminate, a lot of gas that's blowing backwards in your face. As you can see, this is the Areo Raptor. As I mentioned, this one has the vent holes off to the side here on each side. This is the style. This is an ambidextrol charging handle. You can see here in the inside. This allows the gas to actually blow towards that way versus blowing towards that way for your gun. Then you can also see here in the back that, if someone does escape, you do have this little upper, let me see, let's zoom in here, this upper lip here off to here in the back. So this is pretty much what the Areo Raptor one looks like. I don't remember the actual, oh, here we go here. It's the Areo Raptor. This is the SD model. So basically this is what I put in to having the blowback gas from the 300 Blackout. Well, I got the gun broken down, so let's go with the bulk carrier. It's a AERO Precision bulk carrier with the M16 cutout. It's machined from an 8620 tool steel. The bolt itself is 9310 steel. It also has the forward assist with the Nitride finish, which make it easy to actually clean up after each gun range or outing. The staking on this here, so let's zoom in here on the staking. You can see the staking on here, pretty good, metal to metal with the screws. It's also HTP tested and MPI tested as well. It has a black O-ring and the insert, and pretty much this is a high quality bulk carrier group for the AERO Precision with the actual logo as well. The lower part kits that I added on here is from Strike Industry. This is the 90-degree switch here. The bulk carrier group, you see the Strike Industries symbol here. The pins as well is from Strike Industry. So basically, I like Strike Industry lower part kits. I mean, 100% of my ARs I added, I buy the Strike Industry because it's also ambidextrous here. That's what I want to mention. I forgot to say. So when you buy this part kit and it comes complete, I never had anything since I purchased this, anything come out the package. I believe where I buy all my Strike Industry part kit is from this website called Wing Tactical. It's out of California. It's a veteran-owned gun part company, so you guys should check them out. I mean, they have a lot of good prices on their website for gun parts. The grip that I added is from Daniel Defense also. This is a Mil-Spec Plus color with the polymer finish with this rubber texture here off to the bottom here. It is a one-piece grip itself, so you don't have to add an actual screw here at the bottom. It's just the actual Allen key that you add in here. It has this pocket here at the bottom, so you can just put the tools here at the bottom. Also has the Daniel Defense logo here, and pretty much I got this here to match the actual stock itself. So as far as comfortability, I put my thumb right here. You see the finger on the trigger here, and this is how much room you got here as you holding this. I know some people might have bigger hands, but this is pretty much basically, feel of it here. The trigger that I added to this is from Stern Defense. The name of the trigger is called H2S Hybrid. It's a 2-stage trigger with the first stage coming in at 2 pounds and the second stage coming at 4-pound. They did include a green spring with this here, which allows you to break down the 4-pound to a 3-pound on the second stage. Standard mil spec pen size. You can use this for your AR15 or your AR10. The housing that it's built from is from 6061 ballistic. The trigger and the disconnect is made from an A2 tool stock steel bar. The hammer itself is made from a S7 stock steel bar. You can see that it has a flat bowl with the nitron finish. And let me give you guys a quick pull on this here. Look at your wall and your break. Let's do the reset. Reset right there. Let's pull the trigger again. Your wall and your brake. And that's your reset. As far as the body, they both by AERO Precision, where you have the upper and the lower here. The handguard itself is from AERO Precision, and the name of this handguard is called the Atlas R1 M-LOK. You can see, and then it also has the holes here on the top to make it pretty much lightweight. And then as far as the foregrip here, it's from UTG. I do have a video on this here, so check it out when you get a chance. As far as the light I added to this, the light is from Olight. Got this for Father's Day. I think they only made so many of these colors here, so I was able to get it that Sunday night, to match the pattern of the actual gun itself. The muzzle device on here is a linear comp. Basically, when you shoot this, all the gas exit through the front here. So, you don't have any escaping gas from the side, so it allows you to go out, if you in a range, you don't have all that gas, off to the side, or with with your buddies, so you don't have no gas blasting in their face. Yeah, so, as far as the scope I added to this is a 4-16 picnic scope. I did get a chance to test this at the range. It was pretty much it was about an hour. I was with a buddy, and that day we were shooting like 3 ARs and 2 9mm. I didn't really get a chance to dial this in, but pretty much here's the shots from this here. This is the grouping here from the actual gun itself. It was shooting kind of like higher right, so we only had about an hour, so we was shooting a lot of guns that day. So one day I'm gonna take this back to the range so I can dial in the actual scope on this to get a better aim or point of where I'm actually shooting at for this here. I can't remember the ammo I was using for the 300 Blackout, but this is the results from it. This is here from another 5.56 from another AR that day. But once I'm gonna go take this back to the range so I can get everything dialed back up, and then I'm gonna show you some guys footage of me actually shooting this 300 Blackout and so on. But pretty much this is the 300 Blackout that I completed. So I'm just on to my next project, which I'm building a pistol now. So, but thank you guys for listening to me. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. Trying to get my subscriptions up and bring you guys some good content as I progress through, my YouTube channel. So thank you guys. This is Andre from 404 Blackout Tactical. See ya.